Well, if you're new to or not a confident DIY self-tanner, have we got all the tips and tricks for you as Beauty EQ editor Trudy Brewer is here to share her bronzing IQ. Good morning to you, Trudy.
Hello.
You've always got a lovely glow on. It's nice to see you.
I'm obsessed with bronzer.
Are you?
Obsessed with anything with a shimmer or just to give you that look like you've had a holiday.
I quite like the sun, but I know that that's, too much of that is not so good for you.
That's very naughty. Yeah. We're going to do another session on that. No, it's not.
We always feel better with a sun-kissed glow. I'm petrified of doing it myself. So how do we get a more natural, safe-looking faux glow?
Well, for spring, I've brought in what I would call new entry or low commitment tanners.
Oh, good.
Because we're not quite ready to bear it all weather-wise at the moment. What you need to understand is that your skin, you need to prep your skin. Your skin is the canvas for the tan. Now, just take a step back. Tanners or gradual tanners, any self-tan, there's an ingredient in it called dihydroxyacetone, or it's DHA, which you'll see on the label. Now, it's an extraction from sugar beets or sugar cane, and all it does is tint the dead skin cells on your top of your skin. It doesn't absorb, so it sits on the top of your skin. So because of that, you need to prep that skin really well. So if you've got dry patches or you want to shave your legs before you're tanning, moisturize is your friend for tan. Make sure that skin is smooth and clean and dry before you apply any tan.
So it's just like prepping something to paint.
It's just like prepping your house. You want to get off all that old, dry skin or dead dry paint and put on a fresh coat.
So that's a great tip for getting a streak-free, seamless-looking bronze tan. What are your other tips?
A mitt.
Oh.
Never ever tan without a mitt. This one's from Bondi Sands. I really like it. It's quite velvety.
Yeah, that's lovely. Yeah.
Because your tan will go on evenly and smoothly.
So this is how we apply it.
When you use your hands have pores in them, so they absorb some of the tan. So it's not an even
That's when you get
coverage.
orange hands.
And it's hard to get it off depending on the formulation. But a mitt actually helps the tan go on really well and moisturizes your friend. The more you moisturize your skin, the longer the tan will last.
Okay, what if it starts to fade and look blotchy? Do I top it up? What do I do?
Well, you need to exfoliate it off. So again, going back to that, prep your skin, exfoliate your skin. Use body wash instead of soap because soap has caustic in it, so it actually takes off the tan in an uneven way. So body wash is really great. Prep that skin again, get it smooth, get it well moisturized. Do all the prep at night and then tan in the morning.
Okay, if I'm going out in the sun, can I put sun cream on over top of my fake tan?
Absolutely, and you must. A lot of people say, I've got self-tan on, it's a great sun protection, I've already got a tan.
Yes.
That's actually not the case. You can apply anything over the top. Moisturiser. Some of the formulas that I've got today are gradual tanners that you use every day like a body lotion. So you can put sunscreen always over the top, definitely.
Okay, all right, show us some of your favourites. I'm loving the idea of a moisturiser.
Now these are actually my favourites, and I've bought in one for every price point. So in the supermarket for $15, this is absolutely awesome. I love it. Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula, you would have seen it in other products.
Oh, that's such a nice moisturiser anyway, let alone with a tint in it.
Well, get the one with the gradual tan in it. So it's got a little bit of that low DHA in it, not high, a lot of it, and vitamin E and cocoa butter. I'll just, without pumping it, I'll just let you have a little look there. So it's your gradual moisturiser, and it smells. None of the tans I've bought in today smell like pork chops. That terrible smell. When you get on the plane to go to Fiji and all you can smell is pork chops, it's actually people with self-tan on. So the pure cocoa butter vitamin E gradual tanner is gorgeous, $15.
Like that one? Yeah.
And it's a great big bottle. This is another one of my faves, and it's an oil, a dry oil, and it is from Bondi Sands, and it's called Everyday Liquid Gold, and that one's $24 from your pharmacy. And on the mitt, spritz on the mitt and over your body. I put it on this morning all over. It dries instantly, so you can get dressed straight away. Don't have that horrible smell. And that one smells like coconut, which is gorgeous.
That's great, because you spray it on the mitt, which means you don't get it all over the bathroom floor.
You spray it into the mitt and then just all over your body. And what you do once you've washed your mitt out, you don't have to wash it every day if you're not sharing, is you wash it out and you put it on top of there to dry.
Oh.
So it's so clever.
Love it.
And then at your beauty therapy clinics and spas, Vanity, this is a great tan brand, an Australian brand. Bronzing Custard, it's called.
Oh, that one smells amazing.
I know. Isn't it a great name? Again, a gradual tanner. So you use that every day for your moisturiser and you get this lovely build-up of colour.
It smells like custard.
Yeah, I know it does. It smells like custard. I wouldn't eat that though. And that's got a kakadu plum and all those lovely moisturising ingredients and shea butter, which makes it really hydrating. And then completely low commitment. If you don't want to do self-tan, MAC have a product called Strobe Cream, which I adore, and you can put that on. It makes your skin look glowy and beautiful. And they've just done a bronze version. So you can use that as a no commitment. It's not a self-tan.
Okay.
It's a makeup for your body.
Ah, right.
So if you're going out at night and you think, oh, I just need a little bit of something here, I'm a décolleté, my neck, my arms, legs, it's really clever.
Oh, that is clever.
And in the same collection is their Prep and Prime Fix, which is another goodie. And this is Bronze Light, which you spritz over your makeup.
Oh, that's so clever.
Yeah. Hydrates your skin. You can put it on first as a prep, after you moisturiser, put that on, and then your makeup. Or you can spritz it on over the top. So there are lots of ways to tan yourself without actually having the commitment of thinking, oh, I don't want to use self-tan.
Thank you, Trudy. I think I know all your secrets now.
There's more.
Nice to see you.
Thank you.
And for more from Trudy, head to her website beautyeq.co.nz.